back to the Dirty 40 project. So our donor car here is getting all the shit parts, and I went and purchased some of these MP300 wheels to chuck it on here. Swapped out the front grille from the other car, including the lights, and also taken out the rear tub, the liner. So that's all taken out, chucked in the other rails, and the wheels. So here's the rear tub and tonneau cover, and chucked on tyres and wheels from the donor car, and now preparing the rear tub to chuck this liner back on, the liner in. This tradesman was pretty rough as guts, just trying to clean up all this crap here before I chuck it in.